In this video, I want to direct your attention to the left side of your screen. There's a little menu or toolbar that's kind of hidden here on the left-hand side. Um, this is subject mode. So once I click to open subject mode, you will notice that I have a variety of different options here. I've got math, I've got English, I've got chemistry and physics, and then I can go back to my original note board that we're on right now. The thing I want you to notice is how the annotations tools menu changes when I am in subject mode. Okay, so right now I'm just in regular note with my preparation mode on. So you have the text option down here at the bottom. Remember, if I switch that to teaching mode, which is what you get at your panel, it would be handwriting recognition instead. So I'm going to go ahead and click this first one right here, the math tools. This is a page that's available, but now look what has happened to my tools down at the bottom. Right beside my shape recognition tool, I now have 3D graphics that are available. So those are 3D shapes. And next to my text tool or my handwriting recognition tool, I have something called a teaching template, which allows me to also switch to graphing paper. So that's a great option if you are needing a quick grid or if you are needing to do 3D shapes. And notice if we look at our page menu, there's my initial page, there's my second page, and then my graphing option was the third page. So each time you make a selection, it's going to create a new page. So I'm going to click back there now. We'll go down to the next one, which is ELA. And notice that the only option here is unlined paper and lined paper. Back over and we'll move on down. So now we once again have the 3D graphics tool here while we're under science. And then if we move down into chemistry, we get an atomic structure tool, which as a former first grade teacher, I'm not even going to pretend to understand, but I just want you to know that there are some different options that are available when you switch back and forth between these different subjects. Now, if I want to return to the way I was, I'll simply click the note option at the bottom, and here I am. I now have 7 pages because, as I mentioned previously, each time you select something different, it's going to add a page.